Dear brothers and sisters, today in this episode, I want to share a simple story with all of you. Once upon a time, there was a king, and he said to his court sages, I have a ring with one of the finest diamonds in the world, and I want to hide a message under this stone that can be useful in a situation of extreme despair. Think of what kind of message can be put. It must be very short to fit in the ring. The sages were wise but could not come up with a short message. After a few months, the king met a yogi, a mystic, and shared that he is looking for a message which can be useful in a situation of extreme despair. The yogi thought for a while. Then he gave a short message and said to the king, You should not read it now. Save it under the stone and open it only when there is no way out at all. The king listened to the yogi. After some time had passed, some enemies of the kingdom attacked the state and the king lost the battle. He fled on his horse and his enemies pursued him. He was alone, his enemies were many. He reached at a point where there was no other way to escape. There was a huge, deep cliff before him. If he fell, it was the end for him. He could not go back as the enemies were approaching. He already heard the clatter of their horses' hoofs. He had no way out. He was in complete despair. And then he remembered the ring. He opened it and found an inscription. This too shall pass. After reading the message, he felt that everything was quiet. Apparently, enemies got lost and proceeded in another direction. Horses were no longer heard. The king was filled with gratitude to the yogi. Words were powerful. He closed the ring. King set off back and he gathered and rebuilt his army and returned to his state. After the king's successful return back to the palace, a huge feast for the whole kingdom was prepared. The people loved their king. The king was very happy and proud. The same yogi who had earlier given him the message came to him and said softly, Even in this moment, look at the message again. The king said to him, Now I am the winner. People are celebrating my return. I am not in despair and not in a hopeless situation. Then the yogi replied, This message works not only in moments when there is bad, but even in the moments of victory. The king opened the ring and read, This too shall pass. The king felt silence all over him, even though he was in the midst of a noisy dancing crowd. The yogi said to the king, Do you remember everything that happened to you? Nothing and no feeling is permanent. As night changes the day, so moments of joy and despair replace each other. Accept them as nature's way and as a part of life. His pride dissolved. He understood the message and thereafter became a wise man and a noble king. Moral of the story: Nothing is permanent, neither good times nor bad times. Currently, we are going through this tough and challenging time due to this pandemic. But as the message of the story goes, universe is ever changing. This too shall pass. Have faith and patience. Namaste. You are most welcome to join us in search of yoga. with the intention of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family.